How to use split keyboard on your Android device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to use split keyboard on your Android device. Let's begin. First thing first you need to do is open up any application where you can use your keyboard. So what I'll do is just open up Notes, and I'll just create a new note for now. Alright, so here, as you can see, I have a completely normal keyboard. To change your keyboard layout, you can tap on the settings icons right here on your keyboard to go to keyboard settings. Then from there, you can easily change your keyboard layout. First one is your languages, then your preferences. If you see something similar to split keyboard here, just go to that settings. If you don't see it, then that's alright. I'll just go ahead and show you how you can do. There is one other way. Tap on the menu icon on the left hand side and you'll see something called one hand typing. Tap on it. What it's going to do is it will move the keyboard to one side of your screen so that it's easier for you to type with one hand on either side. Tap on this arrow icon to move it to the other side. And you can also resize the keyboard, make it bigger or smaller depending on your choice. You can move it anywhere you want. Tap on done. And then if you want to go back, tap on this 4 raised arrows to make it full screen again. Other thing that you can do is go ahead and type in with a floating keyboard. Tap on floating and it's gonna create a floating keyboard for you. It's kind of like a split keyboard where you're able to use different keys at the same time, and you can just start typing. Once that is done, you can just go ahead and resize it, or however you want, you can customize this. That's basically it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.